fifth grade Shurley method, page 42, part 1, and we're going to do exercise 1, and then these are our new patterns of pattern 4 with the predicate noun, okay? So, the old man in the White House on the corner is a carpenter. So, who in the White House on the corner is a carpenter? Man. Man. Subject, noun. What is being said about the man? Is, right? Verb is a what? Carpenter. Is carpenter the same thing as what the man is?
Yes.
Yes, it is referring to him. So it is the predicate noun. Okay, and then is the linking verb. Okay. Let's see, A. Because, and then it's the linking verb because it links the man to the carpenter. Okay. So in preposition, in what? Okay. What kind of house? The. On what? The. What kind of man? The. So then our pattern is subject, noun, linking verb, predicate, noun, pattern for check. Okay, so we put our pattern, then prepositional phrase in the White House, on the corner, period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. It would be between is and corner. Okay, but so is and corner, right? So right here, because it goes right before the verb. Okay, is there an adverb exception? No, because it's in the natural and inverted order. Okay, Arizona is a state in the southwestern United States. So what is a state in the southwestern United States? Subject, noun. What is being said about Arizona? Is a verb. Is what? State. Is state referring to Arizona? Yes. So it's a predicate noun. And then is becomes a linking verb. A. In what? United States, right? So object of the preposition. What kind or where at in the United States?
Southwestern.
So that's an adjective. The is in pattern. In the southwestern United States. Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception?
No.
Is this in the natural or inverted order? Elephants and whales are very large animals. So what are very large? So elephants and whales are very large animals. So what are very large animals? So compound subject nouns. And is the conjunction. What is being said about the elephants and whales? Verb. Okay. Are what? They're animals. Are animals referring to the elephants and whales?
Yes.
Yes. So this is the predicate noun. Are becomes the linking verb. What kind of animals? Okay. What kind of animals? Very, which is in that verb. Okay. Or how large? Sorry, I asked that wrong. How large? Okay. So pattern. Subject, noun, linking verb, predicate, noun, pattern, or check. Okay? And then we don't have a prepositional phrase, period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural. You guys are going to do number 4 for homework. Okay?